Okay.
Good morning, beautiful people. My name is Samson Williams from Axes and Eggs. We're live here in Mauritius at the Mauritius Blockchain Conference. And people are always asking me, how do you end up in all these far and exotic places? Well, it's not actually me who does any work. It's Isioma from Calculated Market. And so she doesn't tase me for saying it wrong. She's going to tell you what she does for me.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Isioma Orewa. I am the founder of Calculated Market, and what I essentially do for clients like Samson is international business development, marketing, and branding. Ideally, the goal is for you to engage your audience at the right place at the right time, and create strategic partners. And I get to do this internationally with clients like Samson all over the world.
Your favorite client?
My favorite client, yes, for now.
Thank you.
Until I get
and so as your favorite client, even though other people might retain your services, how can they reach you?
You can reach me on Instagram and Twitter at MyBlockchainMBA, and you can also find me on LinkedIn. My name's Isioma, Isioma, last name Orewa, and then at Calculated Market. My website's calculatedmarket.com.
Excellent. So that's it. We got to go because I'm emceeing this conference today. Isioma told me I was emceeing it. She gave me my pre-conference checklist. I've checked all the boxes.
You did.
We make this video. Hopefully it's thumbs up. She doesn't tase me when we're done. And so we'll see all you beautiful people later. Bye-bye.
Bye.